In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks in just about 5 minutes. For those of you navigating the ins and outs of project management, making sure you have the ability to export tasks can be a game changer for reporting, presentations, or simply managing your workflow outside the ClickUp environment. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to seamlessly transport your tasks from ClickUp to another platform, this tutorial is for you. First off, head over to ClickUp's main website. It's the hub for all your project management needs and the starting point for our journey today. Once you're there, the login process is straightforward. Click on the login link to get started. This step is crucial because without access to your account, you can't export anything. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your ClickUp account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, it's time to type in your password. Remember, your password is the key to your project management kingdom, so keep it secure and never share it with others. Upon successfully entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your ClickUp dashboard. This is where all your projects come to life, and for today, it's where we'll be focusing our efforts on exporting tasks. Now, navigate to the home page of your ClickUp workspace. This is typically where you'll see an overview of your tasks, spaces, and any notifications. It's from here that you'll start the exporting process by diving deep into your work environment. Your next step is to click on the team space you're interested in. Team spaces in ClickUp are where your projects, tasks, and collaborations take place. Think of it as a dedicated room for every team or project within your organization. It's important to select the correct space here because each space can contain vastly different tasks and projects. Once you've selected the appropriate team space, it's time to drill down further and click on a specific task you're interested in exporting. Finding the correct task might take a moment, especially if you're managing a large volume of work. However, once you've found the task, you're one step closer to exporting. After selecting a task, look for the Customize button. This button is your gateway to modifying how you interact with this task and, more importantly, to accessing the export options. ClickUp offers a plethora of customization options, but for today our focus is squarely on getting our tasks out of ClickUp. After clicking on Customize, you'll see an option labeled Export View. This is precisely what it sounds like, a feature allowing you to export the current view or task you're working with. Click on this and you're almost at the finish line. The process from here on out is handled by ClickUp, which will generate an export file containing all the details, notes, and attachments relevant to your task. By following these steps, you've successfully exported your task from ClickUp. You can now use this file in reports, presentations, or simply as a backup of your important work items. Remember, exporting tasks can be incredibly helpful for project retrospectives, audits, or even transitioning work between teams. And there you have it. You've just learned how to export tasks from ClickUp in a straightforward, step-by-step manner. This powerful feature is just one of many that ClickUp offers to streamline your project management processes. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to the world of task management, understanding how to export your tasks is a valuable skill that can enhance your productivity and organizational capabilities. Remember, the world of project management is vast, and tools like ClickUp are here to make your life easier. Don't hesitate to explore further, customize your workflow, and discover new ways to enhance your productivity. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're watching this to streamline your own workflow or to assist your team, I hope you found this information helpful.